I've had to bite the bullet with the alternator. I'm pretty certain it needs a new diode pack, but as well as that, the internals of the alternator are very worn out. So it could be a false economy if I start buying a diode pack and replacing the internals. It's actually cheaper to get a reconditioned alternator, which is what I've done. And here it is, it's turned up. I'm just going to unbox it. Here's the old worn out alternator that I did try and save with a couple of cheap parts. And here's the reconditioned one. I am actually really hoping it is the same item, otherwise there could be a problem. These are the alternators side by side, the old one here and the new one here. Actually looks very nice. I mean, they have done a super job with this. So as this is a reconditioned one, I've got to send back the core unit, which is actually the old unit. And I'll just put that in the box, send it back to them as a surcharge. And then this little fella will be recycled for the next person. Just charging up the battery. Next thing, I'm going to put this in. So that's the new alternator installed. Next thing is we just turn the key and see what happens. So that was actually successful. The battery is now charging. Pretty happy with that. You can see here at idle, it's got about 13.5 volts. And as I rev the engine, it is actually charging quite happily. So the battery's still charging and the fan's now cutting in and out operating temperature. I'm going to leave it there. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this episode. I've got some big news for you guys. Hi guys, hope you're okay. I've just been sorting out the workshop and I've just put the car in the corner there. This is because something really cool has happened. I've just purchased another car and it should be arriving anytime soon. I've always missed chances in the past where I didn't jump quick enough and somebody else has purchased a car. So this time around I said, yep, I'll have it. And when I say project, it is a very big project. So it should be turning up anytime soon. Can't wait to show you. Whoa, bit of a cliffhanger. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Cheers!